In today's video, my objective is very simple. In fact, I would like to share a very interesting trick regarding file searching. And this trick is very useful when you are supposed to search some of your files in your Windows PC. So for explanatory purpose, in fact, I have created a dummy folder here having some files also. Some Excel files you can see, and Word file, text file, RAR file, even a PowerPoint file is also here, and some subfolders are also appeared in this dummy folder. So usually when I would like to search something within this folder, simply I will just go to the search bar and I will write the keyword. So if I start my keyword like report, so what appears? So 4 items are appeared in the search, and within these 4 items, 2 Excel file, 1 Word file, and 1 subfolder. And the keyword report is marked with yellow. So the thing is that the keyword is actually searched within the names, within the file names only. Now if I write some other keyword like broadcast, so only one file is appeared. You can remember the file, PowerPoint file, it was having the name broadcast. So my keyword is matching with the file name and it is appeared in the search result. Now interestingly, I know one of my file within this dummy folder is having this keyword broadcast, but not in the file name. The term or the keyword broadcast is appeared is present within the file content. So maybe in some cases you want to search particular keyword within the file, not just within the name. So in that case you have to enable this very interesting option. You have to just go to the view menu and you have to go here in the option change folder and search options, and within the search tab you have to enable this third option, always search file names and content. So by enabling this third option, you're actually supposed to dig down within the file, inside the file. Now you just see 2 files appeared. One is having not 2 files, actually so many files are appeared. So one file having the name broadcast is marked with yellow, and other Word file are actually not having this name as broadcast, but inside these files the term broadcast is here. Just for example, I'd like to open the first file, report. So the keyword broadcast is appeared. So the thing is that by enabling that view and the third options, you are actually digging out your keyword within the file, not only in the file names. Now there are some other issues like you are supposed to search a keyword and this keyword is very common. It may happen in some cases. So maybe you can just remember the file type. So this file type may also help you to run an effective search. For example, I will just conduct another search like sales. So only Excel files are appeared. Okay, search another thing like sales data. What appeared? Only 2 files. Okay, now what I can search? I can search sales value. Okay, let's go with sales value. So earlier we have enabled our options from the view menu. So it is just picking the sales keyword from my entered keyword, and if I just put some kind of inverted colon, what appears now? Only 2 files appeared. So the difference between this one and this one is that search is much more specified now. So this kind of inverted colon and keyword closing inverted colon actually enables you to find some very specific keyword either present in the file name or within the file. You can also narrow down your file searching by enabling particular type of keyword like ext. Ext stands for extension, in fact. Then put a colon, then you have to type the extension of a particular type of file. Like I'm going to search for a keyword in some Excel file, so I'll write just XLS, or you can specify more like XLSX, whatever it is, space, and here we go with the keyword, definitely with the inverted colon, since I want to search very specifically. Cell value inverted close. Now just only one file is appeared. No, many more files are appeared. So these 3 files are actually Excel file, and they are having the keyword cell value. If I just change the extension from XLS to DOC, what appeared? Only one Word file is having this specific keyword cell value. So if I summarize my tricks, number 1 trick is that you have to enable the insight searching capabilities. So you have to go to the view and have to enable the search inside the file, and you can put some inverted colon starting and closing to search some specific keyword. And third point is that you can specify the type of file by putting the keyword like ext colon extension space then keyword. So thank you very much. If you have any queries regarding this, I will try to help you. Thanks for watching.